Welcome to Dhruvatare Ayurveda.
Hello everyone, myself Sudeep. I am second year BMS student. Welcome to Dhruvatare Ayurveda. Today I am here to teach you Asti Sharira. Now let's dive into fascinating world of bones and understand how they support our bodies. In this video, these are the points we are going to cover, such as syllabus copy, PYQ, Introduction to Asti, Asti Utpatti, it means etymology, Asti Vakya, it means definitions of bone, Asti Utpatti, formations of bone, Asti Karya, it means functions of bone, Asti Sankhya, it means enumerations of bone, Asti Prakara, it means types of bone, Asti Swarupa, and importance of Asti Sharira. This is syllabus copy of Asti Sharira. The first point is enlist the number of Asti according to different acharyas. Motional topic, describe the Asti Sangata and Asti Simanta. This topic I will deal while teaching Paribhasha. This topic will be asked in paper 1. It may come for MCQ, SAQ and also in LAQ. This page is taken from Academy Achievers. These achievers include all the possible questions of respective topics and also included previously asked questions by university. If you need more information regarding these achievers, you can visit our Instagram page. Define Asti. Classify and discuss each classification with examples along with applied importance of Asti. It is asked in 2024 and 23 repeated questions. At the end of the session, you can also answer this. Define Asti. Classify and explain the Valaya Asti in detail. It is asked in 2023. This is also you can answer. Define Asti. Explain Asti Sangata and Asti Simanta. Asti Sangata and Asti Simanta we will deal in Paribhasha. Introduction to Asti. Asti Sharira. Asti means bone. Sharira means study of body. Study of bone in the body is known as Asti Sharira. Asti Sharira deals with bones and cartilages forming the skeletal of the body. The bone is the hard and long-lasting structure, giving support to the body, generated from fat and generating marrow, providing attachment to muscles and support to nerves, blood vessels, etc. Asti Utpatti. Etymology of Asti. Asyate iti asti. Asyate means stays for long duration. As it stays for long duration compared to other dhatus, it is called Asti. Asti Vakya. Definition of bone. Abhyantaragate. Sare tirtarta. Tishtanti bhuruha. Asti sare sthita. Deha diyante. Dehinam dhruvam. Reference. Sushruta Sharira 5/21. Just like how pith inside the tree support the tree, Asti is the sara for the body and providing support to the body. Tasmat Siramisteshu Tug Mamseshu Shariranam Astini na Vineshanti Sarani Etani Dehinam Shushruta Sharira 5/22. Even though Tvak Mamsa get destroyed early, Asti being the sara of the Sharira will not get destroyed easily, whereas it is stays for long duration. These two shlokas are multi-purpose quotation. Asti Utpatti. Formation of bone. Medaso Asti Prajayate. Asti is produced from Medadhatu. According to Charaka, Prithvi, Agni and Vayu combine with Swav Ushma. When it becomes harder, Asti is formed. Asti Karya. Function of Asti. Mamsa Nirta Nibandhane Shirabi Snayu Bistata. Astinya Lambanam. Krutvana Shirinte. Patantiva. Sushruta Sharira 5th chapter 23 shloka. Mamsa, Sira, Snayu, etc. are tied on the Asti. As Asti is providing support to this structure, they do not get destroyed and fall down. Sankhya. Enumerations of bone. Trini Sasinishu Shatani. Veda Vahino Bashante. Shalla Tantreshu Through. Trinneva Shatani. Sushruta Sharira 5th chapter 18th shloka. Which means, followers of Vedas says that there are 360 bones in the body. According to Shalya Tantra, the science of surgery, it is 300 only. According to Sushruta, there are 300 bones. According to Ashtanga Sangraha, there are 360 bones. According to Charaka, 360 bones. According to Maudra, 206 bones. These are the numbers according to Shakagata, Madhyasharira, Griva and Shira. By seeing these different numbers, you may think these acharyas are wrong. But actually, Acharya mentioned both Danta and Naka are explained under Asti. And there are still more reasons for this. If you know the reasons, you can share in comment box. Asti Prakara. Types of bone. Etani panchavidani bhavanti. Tadyata. Kafala ruchaka taruna valaya naraka sanyani. Sushruta Sharira 5/20. According to Sushruta, there are 5 types of bones. They are Kafala Asti, Ruchaka Asti, Taruna Asti, Valaya Asti and Nalaka Asti. Kafala Asti. We can correlate it to flat bones. The shloka goes like this. Tesham Janu Nitamba Amsa Ganda Talu Shamka Shiraso Kapalani. Shushta Sharira 5/20. Janu means knee, Nitamba means buttocks, Amsa means shoulder, Ganda means cheek, Talu means pellet, Shanka means temple, Shira means head. Ruchaka Asti. We can correlate it to teeth. Dashanastu Ruchakanani. Shushta Sharira 5/20. Third type of bone is Taruna Asti. We can correlate it to cartilages. Grana Karna Griva Akshi Kosheshu Tarunani. Shushruta Sharira 5/20. Grana, nose, Karna, ear, Griva, neck, Akshi, Kosha. These are the eye orbits. Fourth type of bone is Valaya Asti. We can correlate it to crude or irregular bones. Pashva Pushtaro so Valayani. Shushta Sharira 5/20. These bones are present in Pashva, which means flanks, Prushta, which means banks, and Uras, which means chest. Last one is Nalaka Asti, which means long bones. Sheshani Nalaka Sanyani. Sushruta Sharira 5/20. These are the long bones. Asti Swarupa. Abhyantargate Sare Tishtanti Buruha. Asti Sare Seta Deham Driyanti Dehinam Dhruvam. This is also we already read. Tasma Chiravan Shishu Togmam Shishu Sarenam. Astinina Vidishanti Sarenatani Dehinam. This one also we already read. This starting 2 slokas is already read. These are the multi-purpose quotation. Panchabhotika Swarupa. It is made up of Panchabhuta with predominance of Prithvi and Vayu Mahabhuta. Importance of Asti Sharira. Asti Sharira plays an important role in treatment of fracture. While treating the fracture, physicians should know the nature of Asti present in that region of fracture, because according to nature of Asti, the types of fracture is also changed. Thank you for watching video. Your response will motivate me to take further topics. By scanning first QR code, you can connect me through Instagram. By scanning second QR code, you can download this PPT. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.